Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Aquarius. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy, Aquarius. So these are for your daily energies, guys. And I'll be picking one card for your career situation. This is the card for your career situation, and this is for your relationship, guys. Also, we'll be picking one card from the angel guidance deck, so that will be a general guidance that we can follow. That will help us every day, guys, to make our day a better one. So we will start with these cards, Aquarius, for our daily energy. It's Seven of Wands in reverse, Queen of Wands, and Seven of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in our situation, this may relate to our personal life or to our career situation, Aquarius. So with these cards, I see here that you are a very dedicated person. You are devoted to your dreams, whatever you have, and you have that strong conviction in your work or whatever actions that you take, and you have that confidence, and you radiate that confidence and cheerfulness in whatever you do, and you are able to handle any situation successfully because of this confidence and determination and the strength you have in you, guys. And you are a very attractive person, maybe physically and also emotionally, guys. People have that instant attraction towards you. They feel that they can communicate with you clearly, and you are able to relate with anyone easily, guys. So that is what I see with this card. This may be what your person feels, or this may be what your family or people in your career, what they feel about you, guys. So that is what I see. And also in your situation, again, it may relate your personal life situation or your career situation, something which you are expecting in a particular timeline. You may be getting that beforehand, guys. Maybe some kind of gifts from your elders or siblings. It may be some kind of inheritance or some kind of financial returns, maybe in your situation, which you were expecting maybe like a few months away from now, but you're getting it right now, guys, before that expected timeline. So that is what I see. And maybe for some of you in your situation, it may be in your career situation or in your personal life, there are some situations you feel that you cannot handle, the circumstances are out of control, and there are people who are talking behind you, maybe because of some mistakes on your part, or somebody, you see that some circumstances are out of control and it's leading into some embarrassing situation, guys. So this again may be in your career or in your personal life. So something is stressing you. That is what I see with these cards, Aquarius. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. Queen of Swords. So with this card, guys, in your career, you may feel that people whom you are working with, They may not be putting in equal efforts just like you, and you may feel that you are the only one who is making those efforts, the hard work maybe, and you have a clear knowledge in your situation what you need to do, and you have a clear perception, and based on that experience that you have in your career, you have that deep knowledge and wisdom, and maybe people come to you for support, guys. That is also what I see. And maybe in your situation today, there are again we see certain circumstances are out of control. Maybe the way you handle things may not be right, or maybe mistakes on your part, or some mistakes on someone from your team or in your work situation, some kind of embarrassing situation it may lead to, guys. That is what I see with this card for your career, guys. Aquarius. So what is the card for your relationship? Sorry, guys, it's 9 of Pentacles. So in your personal life with this person, maybe you are, for some of you, you may feel that happiness in your situation, guys, that emotional satisfaction and fulfillment today, and you are appreciating the things that you have. Maybe with this person, that understanding, love, that compatibility, and you have that balance and harmony in your situation, guys. That is what I see with this card, guys. And maybe for some of you, we were speaking about some embarrassing situation, so that may change, guys. That is what I see. So some kind of clarity or some changes that you may see helping you to come out of that bad stressful circumstance. So that is what I see with this card, guys, Aquarius. So let us see what is the angel guidance card. Be free. I hope you can see the card here. So with this card, this may or may not relate to your situation, guys, but this is a guidance to make us better, guys, make our days a better one. So if we take up this guidance, it will change things for the better. So that is what this card is about. So with this card, the energy is, in our situation today, all of us, we are working towards that freedom, guys, that emotional freedom, mental freedom, and spiritual freedom. And we are in a community, so we have that inhibitions in ourselves. So what will the other person think? So we do certain things because of that. We are not free enough to express ourselves, what we truly feel in our heart of hearts. So these conditioning will create that boundaries in our actions and in the words that we speak. So sometimes we need to let go of these shackles, whatever is obstructing us from coming out with the truth. So we have to go for that free expression of the truth, what we feel in our heart of hearts. So when we do that in our relationship or in our work situation, we should not feel that shame or fear to express our true thoughts or what we have in ourselves, guys, what we believe in. So when we do that, when we come out with the truth, the person or with whom we are in connection with, they will also come out with the truth. It will help them to empower them to come out with the truth. So when we speak the truth, we will work towards a deep, meaningful connection in this relationship. The same way in our career also, we will work towards that greater potential towards success, guys. So that is what this card is about. That is the guidance, Aquarius, for you all today. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.